Hello friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Roblox error code 262. There was a problem sending data in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go Roblox properties, right click on Roblox, click on properties, then select compatibility. Now you can see here, run this program as a administrator. If you unselect this option, you should select this option, click on apply, click on OK. After doing this, open your run command, then type here local app data local. Click on OK. Open this temp folder, then search here Roblox folder. Here not showing Roblox folder, I already delete from here. For example, select Roblox folder, then click on delete icon. After doing this, close this window, open your Google Chrome, click on three dot, click on settings, click on privacy and security. Then click on third party cookies. In this, little bit scroll down. In this, you can see here, see all site data and permissions. Open this option, then search here Roblox. Then click on delete icon, click on clear. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.